So hey, what is up guys, it's me and I'm back with another video. So guys, today in this video I have got some leaked specifications, price and many more of the Asus 7 and 7Z, likely the Asus 7 series. Asus Zenfone 7 or Asus 7Z will be packed in 512GB of storage. The chipset that is used in this device might be Snapdragon 865 Plus, and it is a 5G ready processor, so we'll get a 5G band on these devices. Asus 7Z will come with a multi-camera setup inside the flippable camera unit. The company unveiled the Asus 6Z last year, and the successor might land up in this time. Now the company has recently launched the Asus ROG Phone 3, and now it's time for the Asus 7 series. Last year, after the Zenfone controversy, the company launched Asus Zenfone 6 and Zenfone 6Z in globally. Similarly, the upcoming Zenfone 7 series might land up soon. As previously leaked, the company is expected to launch two devices under the Asus 7 series. As part of the upcoming Asus entry premium flagship lineup, the series will include the Asus 7 and the Asus 7 Pro. The leaked details hint at a 6.67 inches display on the device. The Asus 7 will have a full screen display as well with a flipping camera, as we saw on Asus 6Z. Asus 7 will feature a similar flipping camera as the producer, and the NCC listing also revealed to 512GB internal storage, NFC, Wi-Fi 6 and the Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. The TUV certification from Japan confirms the devices with the 5000 mAh of the battery with the 30-watt fast charging technology support. The device will ship with the fast charger. Geekbench listing confirmed that Asus ZF confirmed Asus Zenfone 7 with a Qualcomm chipset with the 16GB of the RAM and Android 10 out of the box. The Asus 7Z will run on Snapdragon 865 chipset, while nothing has been officially confirmed yet. Let's talk about the pricing of the Asus 7 series. So the Asus 7 series might be costs around 30,000 in India. If we convert it into globally or in dollars, so it might be comes with the $499. So it's good in pricing. So the devices are really great. So what do you think? Just tell me comment box. So that is up for today guys. If you like my content, so please subscribe my channel and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel. So bye, see you all in the next video.